Bringing a product to market involves collaboration across different people with different levels of access to data. New in Fusion, we've integrated additional user roles, permissions, and controls, and group management tools that enable you to give your product team access to exactly what they need quickly and easily. Administrative controls begin at the top level and allow you to easily loop people in with predefined roles. For example, if you want to bring in your design team, we can set up a folder that gives them a place to freely collaborate on design ideas and revisions together. We can create a group on the fly, assign editor access, and then either add members individually or paste in a list of multiple email addresses for a larger team so that all can quickly gain access to this product development folder. Now, oftentimes product teams will identify pre-approved standard content that's reused across a portfolio of products or sometimes even supplied by their customer. They'll want their design team to be able to reuse those parts and assemblies without modifying any of the data. So within Fusion, we allow you to create a group and then assign different permissions to different areas of the project. This is similar in a way to what's seen in Dropbox, SharePoint, and other cloud storage tools. But we've made sure in Fusion that permissions are easy to review and they carry through the complex references and engineering models that reside in different places. In other words, a model reference within another model will properly honor the permissions that apply to each user. Now let's take a look at a different example. This time, in a separate area that's set up for marketing, we'll give the marketing team more control over user management, so they can invite external consultants and marketing agencies to collaborate as well. It means they can manage this entire folder on their own, defining subfolders where helpful, so they can make data sets available to anyone they like. For example, within this folder, we have a subfolder that can be used to share renders or specifications with an outside agency. The permissions for this folder are inherited from a higher level, and then additional participants can be brought into just this subfolder with unique permissions. The permissions for this folder are inherited from a higher level, and then additional participants can be brought into just this subfolder with unique permissions. So, you can see the new permissions, roles, and group capabilities in Fusion provide simple yet powerful tools for managing access to data across the team. Start a free trial of Autodesk Fusion today and discover a better way for teams to design and manufacture together. With Fusion, you'll be ready for the future today.